Let's have you guys answer some questions about the audience. Let's go ahead and look at my screen and how you'd find that report. So if we go to demographics and age, we get our age groups here, and here we have the distribution numbers. So you can see that 47% were between 24 and 34, 25 and 34. Remember that we're not seeing all users here, only 47% of the total number of users for the time period. And remember our time period, oops, I need to put my time period back to all of 2019. And so the answer here would be the age categories along with the percentages. Now the question becomes, what does valuable mean? So in chat, guys, tell me how you define valuable. Percentage of revenue. Okay, revenue is a popular answer. Did anybody do something other than revenue? Highest lifetime value, that's an interesting one. Yeah, absolutely. Depends on what your goals are. It's a good question, Carrie. Remember, we are the Google merchandise store, so our goal is to sell stuff. So yeah, what's the answer to the question? What are the 5 most valuable states? Well, if you chose revenue, one way you could do that is by looking at the e-commerce conversions over here, looking at revenue, and then sorting by revenue, and getting California, New Jersey, Michigan, Florida, and New York.